Hello and welcome to today's video. Now, as always, this is a method I'm doing myself. I'm going to share with you the numbers, how you can set all of this up, and basically all of the good stuff, because essentially I am quite a lazy person and I like earning online in a number of ways. We do affiliate marketing, we do YouTube, we do we do lots of different things. And I'm always trying to work out, where I can essentially spend the less time to be earning money, okay? Because, we don't need to be at our laptops or phones 8, 9 hours a day if we use tools and other softwares that are available. So this on the screen over here is a website. I've shared it with you. I think we did an update on this on day 40. It's called We Make Money with AI. This whole website is done with AI. I don't put any of the content onto here. I don't write anything. I don't get any images or anything like that. Now you'll see on here we've got a blog section, news section, side hustles, affiliate marketing, etc. Okay. Now I started a case study for this for the members of the university 90 days ago because I've literally just finished recording the 90-day update. So if I come down here, case studies and workshops, you will see this one. Automated affiliate website. Now inside of this case study here, I share with the members basically everything I am doing inside of here, okay? And you can see, as like all case studies, it's very in-depth. So the last one was day 67. I've just finished recording day 90 for the members, so I thought I'd share with you an update on this, okay? So the website over here, as I've mentioned, it's all automated, okay? Now, how I am monetizing this is not with annoying ads, it's with affiliate links. So over here where it says reviews, basically, every article down here is an affiliate article, okay? So if I go into any one of these, so if I go into, let's go into this one here, this Submagic review. And again, I didn't do anything for this. I'll show you how simple it was to do this. But if I scroll down here, you can see the images on here, the AI software brought all of this in. Someone clicks on here where it says visit the official website. Guess what? You can see it there. That's an affiliate link with my tracking link behind it. Okay, and then we've got table of contents. All of this is done absolutely for free. It even brings in related videos from YouTube as well. So it's pretty cool. Another affiliate link, more information about this, product specifications, etc. Okay, so we set this website up for the case study. If I come right back up, oh, hang on, is it down here on the right hand side? I'll show you so you can again see everything I'm telling you is indeed true. We set this up in July of this year, okay? So we set it up at the end of July, literally. I think it was like the 30th of July. So this is the website and this is everything what happens over here. Now let's look at the numbers, okay? So if I come over here into the analytics, you can see up here, we make money with AI. Since we launched the website, we've had 375 users. We've had 680 sessions. Our bounce rate is incredibly good. And we've had 1,600 views. So all of that's good. But I want to show you this section down here. This is the numbers. So let me go into here and I'll show you this. And we'll go and have a look at this, okay? So if I scroll down here, these numbers here that you can see, as you can see up here, is for the last 28 days. So this on the left-hand side here is the article. This here is the number of views. This here is users, etc. Now, the great thing about this, okay, is if you scroll down here, you will see that's the home page, so we're not really going to count that. But if we come down here, look, this one here, Repurpose IO Review, one post, multiple platforms. This is one of our most popular articles, and it's just started trending in the last 28 days. And again, I'll show you that in a second. This one down here, this is an affiliate article. This one down here, affiliate article, Oprah's clip, affiliate article, okay? I think we'll get the picture. Now, if I come over here, this is, what is this? This is this is in the Google Search Console. You will see on here in the last 3 months, this is our data from Google. So we've had 81 organic clicks from Google, which is brilliant. If I come over here into this, again, you'll notice this is the website We Make Money with AI. If I scroll down here, I want to show you this, okay? Your most popular content in the last 28 days. So it shows you a number of pages, okay? And you can go into this and you can see, and it will show you which ones are trending, which have got high engagement rates. Like this one here, this new AI tool is awesome. Use it to make money online. It's got a high engagement time. So now I know that this has got high engagement, I can get the software to create similar content to this one. If I then go to the next page, you will see here, repurpose.io review. This is currently trending, which is awesome. So I can literally use this information here to go through, look, Oprah's clip. So these are all affiliate articles whereby we can potentially earn money with affiliate marketing, okay? It's awesome. So let me come out of here. Let me close down some of these tabs. Let's close this one down. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this one as well, okay? So all of the numbers and everything is going in the right direction with this. And you're probably thinking, sounds too good to be... Oh, I'll show you one other thing as well. So if I come up here and I go site.wemakemoniywithai, you will also see we have currently got 181 results. That means we've got 181 pages indexed on Google. And again, similar concept, you'll notice platform review. As you go down here, a lot of these look review articles. So it's awesome. So people are searching online, they're finding our content, they're landing on the website. And that brings it back over to the question of is it making money? Yes, it is. Over in the university over here, when we was doing this, you can see on here, by day 15, starting from scratch, we earned some affiliate commissions, okay? Now, over on the website, if I come back over here, you will notice we have got quite a few review articles on here, okay? So I'm not going to go into every one of these platforms and share with you the numbers and the earnings. Instead, I'll share with you two, okay, to give you a realistic approach to this. So one of them is this one. Let me go over to page 2. And this one was, where's it gone? Repurpose. So that's our trending one. In video review. Where's the other one? I think it might be on page 3. It could be. Here we go. Opus Clip review. This was one of our original articles that we did. Now we are getting traffic to that. I'll show you inside of the affiliate program. So you can see here, this is inside of the Opus Clip affiliate program. Today we've had 92 people, which is great. However, none of them have converted, which is frustrating to say the least. Now, why they're not converting, I don't know. I need to go back into this Opus Clip and have a look at this because maybe they have changed their pricing, maybe they've removed their free trial. I don't know. But the encouraging part of this is 92 people have actually clicked and gone through to the website, okay? That's great. But you may remember a second ago when we looked over in the search console, one of our top trending articles was repurpose, which was, if I go to page 2, it was, I'll scroll down so you can see this one over here. It was actually trending, okay? Now, bearing in mind, okay, with any website that we are building, it takes time, okay? It genuinely does take time. So this article was published the end of July, the 31st of July. It's only now in October that it's starting to get traction and it's trending, okay? So in the beginning, we had a few clicks. We had some people go over and sign up for the free trial. Fast forward to today when this article is actually trending. Let me share with you the numbers for that. So if I go into here, you will see this is inside of Repurpose, inside of my affiliate account. You will notice here we've had some, I'll blank this out, but we've had some people sign up and then they're inactive. But fast forward to today in October when our article is trending, look at this, the 19th of October, the 26th of October, the 27th. Currently got that person there is paid, so someone's there on a paid plan, so we're earning a monthly commission. We've got 1, 2, 3, we've got 4 people currently on a free trial, and we've got that article trending, which is awesome because obviously that will be bringing in money, touch wood, passively every month because this platform over here is a recurring platform, okay? It's software, it's awesome software, by the way, go ahead and check it out. But yeah, so we're earning money from this. And I do know from going ahead and looking into some of these different platforms earlier, we're earning some money. We've also earned some more money from Koalawator and AI Wisemind. And I need to go back into a few of these different affiliate platforms, but we do have quite a few, okay? So it's working. It just takes some time, effort and consistency. Now my plan with this moving forward is originally I was thinking we may add ads to this, was looking at Google AdSense. I still don't know whether that is the right thing to do with this because I don't like ads that slow down websites, and potentially we can earn more money by building an email list and then directing that email list to the review articles over here where we can actually earn some decent money instead of a couple of dollars from Google Ads or Ezoic, whatever. So that is all of the good stuff. Now, in terms of the actual software and how it works and how to set all of this up, I'm not going to go through all of that in this video. Instead, what I'm going to do is I will link an article down below for you. And the reason is I don't want to waste your time. I don't want to share something. I don't want to go through something which we've covered previously. So I'm going to click on here, AI Wisemind. and I'll link this article below for you. You can go over to this. Inside of this article, you've got, and I did write this, by the way, this is not AI. Inside of this article over here, I share with you everything about this. There's a video on here walking you through how to set this up, what to do, what not to do. But it's genuinely straightforward. In fact, I'll show you. I'll show you really quickly, okay? But do go ahead and check out the article, okay? Because it'll give you more information. So if I come over here onto this, quickly log in, I'll show you how it works. Because in terms of this piece of software over here, I normally spend about an hour at the beginning of the month with this setting. You can see when it was all created, okay? And we go through. How it works is you'll notice as well on here, I've got lots of content on here. Now, obviously, it's come to the end of the month, so I now need to set up this month's articles to go out. But I do have this software set up on a number of websites. You will see on here we've got the AI website, we've got a Microscope website, we've got a Fly website, we've got a Lineman website, we've got it going on lots of different platforms, okay? But it's really straightforward, okay? And even if you've never built a website before, or you have no experience, you don't have to, because here's the thing. This software will build the website for you. It will create everything. Literally, all we do here is you go over to this site wizard and it will do all of it for you. You just click on new site setup and it walks through the whole thing, okay? Straightforward and simple. And if you do get stuck with any of it, then there's got resources on here with walkthrough videos. But if I come over to the campaigns, so once you've connected a website to this, all you do is you click on new campaign, and then what do you want? Do you want the AI software to create an informational post? Do you want it to create Amazon products reviews? Because you can earn money that way. It'll create full reviews of any product on Amazon for you. It will include links, tables, specifications, and lots more. You can do other products reviews, so products over on maybe ClickBank, JVZoo, ShareASale. It will even take a video from YouTube and create a full article for you, and there are RSS feeds on this as well, okay? And all you're doing is you literally just going down, so you give it a name, you put in your URL in here. So if you was doing like an informational post on here, you can link to other posts online, and it will use that as its sort of base, and it'll build out an article around the original link that you put in here, okay? But you don't have to put that in here. You could even just put in keywords. So if you was doing an article about, I don't know, 5 ways to lose weight, you could just include your keywords in here, okay? And then we're scrolling down. If you have affiliate links, you would paste your affiliate links in here. And then you've got these options where you can click on, shop now, purchase, etc. How many affiliate links do you want on here? Scroll down. Do you want video embeds? So do you want the AI software to go on YouTube and find related videos? I normally leave that ticked on, to be honest. You can do images. And then if I scroll down here, look, where do you want those images from? Extract images from a URL. Do you want them from Pixabay, Unsplash? Do you want DALL-E to go ahead and create it for you? So AI will create the images for you. And then all you do is just scroll down here, pick which one of these you want. You've got all of the different languages on here. You can go through, pick your language. Person, point of view person, so you've got second person, third person, etc. You pick one, tone of voice, pick which one you want. And then all you're doing here is, once you've gone through that process here, you're down to the bottom. And then you can publish the article immediately, or you can publish it on a schedule. And once you're happy with that, you just click on post to WordPress, and then it will do it. And what I tend to do with this as well is, instead of me going through and creating an article for every single one, you'll see over here, oh no, let me go to campaigns. You'll see what I do here is, look, you can see 12 of 15, 24 of 25. So that one's still got another one to go. This one here, 29 of 30, 23 of 24. I literally go in, give it a campaign to do the content for the whole month, and that's it done. It's unreal. But in terms of, a method of earning money online, which is hands-free, you won't find better products than this. So yeah, I will link to the article down below. Go ahead and check it out. If you do pick it up, as always, I'll give you some bonuses of how to set this up, different things I am doing. And if you're in the university, then obviously go through the case study, because we're now up to day 90 in this, and I share with you everything else that we've been doing behind the scenes, okay? So yeah, take care, and I'll see you soon.